Lady. This is how she acts when other people bring their dogs here and we ask them not to bring them here and they do anyway. Then we have to leave her inside and she acts like this and does not listen. And her hair is standing up. And if she was outside with that dog, she'd be acting like she is now and trying to just about pick a fight with the dog. And she's that way around other dogs because she was raised with our other dog. She was raised with a neighbor dog, but she wasn't around any other dogs when she was little. So when it comes to other dogs, she hates them. And she runs from window to window to window, looking out at the dog. And if anybody's dog gets loose and comes here, she does the same thing. But don't let the whining fool you, because as soon as she can see the dog again, her hair stands up, she growls, barks, carries on. And you think, oh, you know, she just wants to be with the dog. No, she wants to tear it up. And if she gets near the dog, she wants to fight him. Lady. And we knew this person was coming here because they called and they asked if they could bring their dog. And Deanne said, yeah, but we'll just have to leave our dog inside. And I told him, I said, no, he can leave his dog at home. But nope, he told him he could bring him.